Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of video tutorials in using Microsoft Excel on Android phones. Let's open Microsoft Excel now. Yan, so click the plus sign button at the upper right corner to open a new workbook, then select blank workbook. So once you open the Microsoft Excel application, ito yung makikita nyong environment. So similar siya sa Microsoft Excel na ginagamit natin sa computers. Meron siyang table sa gitna and meron siyang mga columns and of course rows. Yan. So in every intersection of a column and a row is what we call cell. Alright, so but before we move on to that part, I will discuss first yung mga essential parts. Okay, starting from the file name. So sa taas, meron tayong makikita dito na book. So book is actually the default file name ng Microsoft Excel natin. So just tap it and then rename it. So say for example, sales, yung ipapangalan ko. And tap anywhere to apply the changes. Right, so below the file name are different icons. The first one, when you long press it, meron tayong show commands. So when I press it, yan, makikita natin yung commands which are grouped into different menus like home, okay, insert, draw, formulas, data, review, and view. Alright, so let's go back. The second icon is the find or the search button. So say we want to search something inside the workbook, we can use that find icon. Then we also have this icon here which is undo. So it allows us to undo the last command that we did. So let's try to undo first. Yan. So makikita nyo na bura or nawala yung tinype natin sa table natin. Alright, because that is the last action that we did. The next icon is the share icon. Okay, so when I press it, meron tayo ditong sharing options. So shared with two, share the link, or share the attachment. Okay, then meron tayong 3 ellipses dito which allows us to actually save as, check the history of the workbook or of the file, or print. And then sa settings, makikita natin dyan yung settings ng Microsoft Excel natin doon sa Android phone. So, punta naman tayo dun sa icon sa bottom part of this application, which is again Microsoft Excel for Android phones. So una, when I long press it, it will show the name. So it's named as Sheets. So basically, ginagawa niya is it allows us to add sheets on our workbook. Yung workbook kasi is like a notebook or a book that has different pages inside. These pages are also equivalent to sheets. So if you want to add sheet, so by default, isa lang yung sheet niya, which is sheet 1. So pwede tayong mag-add by pressing this plus sign here. Yan. So eto, meron na akong 3 sheets for this workbook named as sales. Right, so press ulit natin yung icon for sheet para makita natin yung the rest of the icons sa bottom. Okay, so meron din tayo dito na the third icon is the filter. Yan, so it is apply filter button. Okay, so when I press it, sabi niya, we didn't find any data to filter kasi wala pa tayong data. Okay, so the fourth one is fill color. So if we want to put a color on the cell, let's try it. So say we want to put orange, ayun. So whatever cell is active, malalagyan siya ng fill color. So let's say etong buong column na to from row 1 to 15, lagyan natin siya ng fill color na orange. Ayan. So whatever is highlighted na cells, sila yung ma-applyan nung fill color. Alright, so the next one is tell me what you want to do. So say you want to insert a comment. Yan. So Let's try it. Insert. Ayan. So, we've inserted a comment for that certain cell. Okay. Next. So, yung last na icon natin is showing you again the list of menus, just like yung nakikita natin sa Microsoft Excel in our computers. Meron siyang home, insert, okay, draw, formulas, data, review, and view. So, itong draw na to is not the same menu that you can see sa Microsoft Excel sa computers. Okay, so that's all for navigating Microsoft Excel on Android phones. Sa next tutorial natin, I will teach you how to use the most essential features or functions of Microsoft Excel. Thank you!